clapping. Pop that pussy for my niggas, don't be acting. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet. Ay, let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet. Ay, let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet. Ay, big old booty, get it clapping. Finesse these niggas out them dollars, that's Italian. I want some money, but what's happening? Don't want no nigga who be acting, who be capping. I'm on some real ratchet shit. Pull up to your crib, spoke about everything till my niggas win. And if the beat live, you know live. I be showing my ass, take that on bitches. Talking out of veneers, I'm knocking out teeth. I pop shit, they won't pop. They bought Birkins, I bought stop. They still on the boat, I'm on the yacht. They taking shots, I'm taking spot. I see the shade, then they get blocked. They see the chain, then they went blind. Yeah, I know I'm different, I'm one of a kind. I took off on bitches and left them behind. How do you hate me if I'm on your mind? Sending me messages every time. Bitches is messy, but I'm petty. Don't gotta edit, check the get it. I keep it real, I keep it sexy. Holla for backup before they address me. Hoes do all of that typing, but never once did I get pressed. It's obvious bitches obsessed. If it's fuck me, then we having sex. If I pop back, then they go. Bitch, your time up. These bitches only hot on. Yeah, bitches doing all that womp, 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 womp. Bitch, your time up. Why is you not clocking that? Doing shit for TikTok.